Welcome to the Tabaiba Costa to Keys. I've just arrived here, so I thought I'd give you the room tour before I mess the place up. Through here is the bedroom. It's very basic, but looks fine. Storage place for your clothes. One safe, two safes. I'm not sure if they're trying to tell you something there. I'll give you the verdict on the bed later on. Through into the shower room. Shower, toilet, sink, hair dryer, plenty of bog roll, that'll be quite useful. Living area, fridge, sitting area for eating, and kitchen. And there's lots of utensils and cutlery and plates and all that in here, so quite well thought out. It even has dish towel, cutlery, dish towel there, and also underneath here, which was a bit of a find for those people who have ventured in here in years gone by, washing up liquid, and also one of the little squeegee thingies for doing your dishes, so you didn't have to bring your own two hob there, and microwave. So spacious enough. So this is a one bedroom apartment. All looks good. So thank you very much for the room tour.